Welcome to the Writing Center at Miami-Dade College North Campus. We're located on the second floor of Building 2 in room 2210. Come on in. Our mission is to assist students in all disciplines to become more effective communicators. The Writing Center helps you throughout the drafting process, from brainstorming to the final draft of your essay, or even oral presentation. Our services are designed to support student learning at all levels of proficiency. Our most popular services are one-on-one consultations, writing seminars, and writing review courses. Let's take a few moments to elaborate on each of these services to help you decide which is best for you. Our most popular service is one-on-one consultations. One-on-one consultations are approximately 30 minutes long. During these sessions, tutors can help you brainstorm and organize your ideas, address and explain weaknesses in your writing or speech, help you with APA and MLA formatting, and connect you to a librarian who can help you navigate our library database for research. However, we cannot tell you what to write or talk about, correct your errors, grade your writing, format your paper, or do your research for you. Because time is limited, we ask that you come prepared. Bring a printed copy of your writing, know which issues you want to address or questions you want answered, and bring any guidelines your professor gave you for reference. You're welcome to walk in at any time we're open, but we suggest you schedule an appointment in advance in order to ensure that a tutor is available to see you. Our one-on-one sessions are available to all current MDC students. It doesn't matter if you're enrolled in developmental education courses, tackling college-level writing, studying chemistry, or criminal justice. If your course involves writing, we're here to help. Now wait, 30 minutes may go by like this. Feels like you need ongoing help? Enroll in ENC 1113. ENC 1113 is a credit course designed for students who need consistent help with grammar and composition. The course is ideal for ENC 1101 and 1102 students. Take it as a supplement or on its own as an elective. Every semester, the Writing Center also offers a series of writing workshops on topics like grammar and style, brainstorming, and essay structure. These are free and open to all MDC students, faculty, and staff. We'll bring writing workshops to your classroom too. At that time, we partner with Basic Law Enforcement to give writing review seminars for future police officers. These workshops are built to suit the things you're learning, so the information is relevant to you. We also conduct in-class orientations for all college-level courses. These might include things like information literacy, where we partner with the librarians and other faculty to help you find resources in the library databases. If you are registered for a developmental education course, you are required to attend a lab orientation to learn more about the lab requirement. If you are a student enrolled in the developmental education class, you can also take advantage of the designated computer area for completing the one-unit lab component of your course. Here, lab instructors are ready to help you to brush up on your academic reading and writing skills. When you come to visit us, we just ask one thing: check in at the front desk and sign in on academia. Then sign out when you're done. Now let's write.